In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Wufoo. Whether you're looking to personalize your form or improve readability, adjusting the font size can make a significant impact. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, the first step is to log into your Wufoo account. Once you're in, the next destination is the theme section, sometimes referred to as the theme designer. This is where all the magic happens concerning the appearance of your forms. Now, if you already have a theme that you like, you can go ahead and choose it. Alternatively, if you want a fresh start, you can create a new theme. It's entirely up to your needs and creativity. Upon entering the theme designer, direct your attention to typography, which might also be labeled as fonts or text settings depending on your version or theme setup. Typography is essentially where you control how text appears on your form, and it's the vital part of enhancing your form's visual impact. Once in the typography section, you'll notice you have multiple elements to modify. These elements might include field title, field text, and description, among others. It's important to know what each element corresponds to on your form so that you can make the adjustments where they're most impactful. For instance, if you want to emphasize the field titles, you'll focus on changing the font size for that specific element. Now comes the part of choosing your desired font size. In most cases, you'll find either a size menu or an input box. Here, you have the option to select from preset sizes or to enter a custom size that suits your design's vision. A practical tip here is to consider the readability. Larger sizes are easier on the eyes, especially on mobile devices, but you want to maintain cohesion throughout your form. Play around with the sizes to see what fits best. Don't forget to apply or save the changes you've made. This step is crucial to ensure that all your modifications are captured and ready to be used. Once you've done so, the final step is to apply that theme to your current form. Applying the theme solidifies all your hard work and brings your vision to life when users access your form. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily adjust the font size in Wufoo and tailor your forms to meet your specific needs and style preferences. Make sure to preview your form to see the changes come to life and make any necessary tweaks. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you create forms that are both functional and visually appealing.